Okay, are you ready for the next example? So let's look at how to convert 0.73 to binary number. So we write the number down, 0.73. Okay, so we're going to multiply this repeatedly by 2 since we're converting to binary. So we multiply it repeatedly by 2. So let's multiply by 2 right now. So equals to 2 times 3, that's going to give us 6. Okay, then 2 multiplied by 7, that will give us 14. So we write down 4. Then let's put our decimal point. So we carry the 1 that is left from 14 to the next stage of multiplication. Then 2 times 0, that will give us 0. 0 plus the 1 we carry over, and that will give us 1. So what we have now is 1.46. From 1.46, the integer part is this 1, or you can call it the whole number part is the 1. So what you need to do is to write down the whole number part. So let me make a line. Okay, so write down the whole number part here. Great. The next thing you're going to do, extract out the fractional part. Okay, so the fractional part is this 0.46. Take the 0.46 out. So we have 0.46 multiplied by 2. So you're going to multiply it repeatedly again. So 2 times 6, that will give 12. So write the 2. You're going to carry the 1 to the next stage of multiplication. 2 times 4, that is 8. 8 plus the 1 we carry, so that is 9. Then put your decimal point right now. Okay, great. Then 2 times 0, that's going to give 0. So what we have now is 0.92. So what you're going to write down is the integer part, which is 0. So write it here, 0. Great. Now take the 0.92 again and multiply it by 2. So 0.92 times 2. So 2 times 2, that's going to give us 4. Then 2 times 9, that's 18. So we write 8. We carry the 1 to the next stage of multiplication. So let's put our decimal point. 2 times 0, that will give 0. 0 plus the 1 we carry over, and that will give us 1. So we have 1.84. Now we take out the integer part. So write down the integer part, 1. Great. So anytime you encounter 1 on the integer part, all you need to do is to take out the fractional part. So the fractional part is 0.84. So take that out. So you're going to write it as 0.84, and you multiply that by 2. So we're doing successive multiplication. We multiply repeatedly. Since we're in binary, we're converting to binary, we multiply continuously by 2. Okay, so let's multiply this by 2. 2 times 4, that will give us 8. Then 2 times 8, that is going to give us 16. So we write 6. We carry the 1. Then let's put our decimal point. Then 2 times 0, that will give us 0. 0 plus the 1 we carry over, and this will give us 1.68. Okay, so since we have 1.68, we are going to extract out the integer part. Take out the integer part and write it here. Then anytime you encounter 1 on the integer part, all you need to do is to take out the fractional part. So you're going to multiply the fractional part again by 2. So the fractional part is 0.68. So we write it as 0.68. Then we'll multiply this by 2 again. So 2 times 2 times 8, that will give 16. So we write the 6. Okay, we carry the 1. 2 times 6, that is 12. 12 plus the 1 we carry over, that is 13. So we write 3 from 13. Then we put our decimal point. We carry over the 1 to the next stage. 2 times 0, that's 0. 0 plus the 1 we carry over, and we have 1.36. So again, we take out the integer and write it here. Then what we have left on the fractional part is 0.36. Okay, so I want you to know that this process is a continuous process, or it's a repetitive process. We can continue like this on and on and on and on. Okay, but we have to stop somewhere. Okay, so now let's look at what we've gotten so far. We're going to take it from the top down. That will be the result. So how do we write this? So to write this down, you first of all write 0 point, then you start from the first digit that you've gotten, which is 1, followed by 0, followed by 1, 1, 1. So you write it down, 1, 1, 1 in base 2. So this is the result that we've gotten when we convert 0.73 to binary. Amazing, right? Great.